How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure you sign in to your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can easily see all your posts that you have uploaded. Let's open a particular post where you want to add the collaboration. Now select the three dots at top right. Tap on edit. At top, you can easily find out Add Collaborators option. Select that. Then here you need to invite collaborators. Tap on the photo to tag people. So let's type in the person's name. After that, you need to tap on Invite Collaborators and invite it or search for the users. Once you have added, if they accept, your post will be shared with your followers and they will be shown as authors of the post. So let's check mark at top right corner of the screen. You need to wait for the response and then tap on the check mark at top right. Once they accept your response or respond to your post, then they will be successfully called as collaborators on your Instagram post. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.